Let us discuss one more example involving graph of function. So suppose we know graph of function f, then we want to sketch graph of f prime. Well, we are given only qualitative information. So we want to get some qualitative information for this f prime. So instead of pointing out all the values, we want to figure out the sketch of the graph. Okay. We want to use a quick observation. So f prime geometrically gives you slope of tangent line. That means, well, let me pick some point. Say we have this point. At this point, we have tangent line like this. We don't know the slope exactly, but we know it's increasing, right? So this is or positive slope. So f prime assigned the slope of the tangent line to each point. That means for this point, we can say at least f prime has positive value because f prime assigns slope of the tangent line of this original function. So this must be something positive. So let me use blue. So we don't know what this value is, but we can say this must be positive above x-axis. And then let me pick another point, say this point. And the slope of the tangent line is negative, right? So this is decreasing or negative slope. This is decreasing or negative slope. So for this point, for this specific point, this function assigns something negative. So something negative below x-axis, like this. And similarly, you can pick points and look at the slope. Again, this is decreasing, so you can pick points, something negative. But if you compare those two, this is less steep. So the value is still negative, but closer to this x-axis. In particular, when you choose this point, we have horizontal tangent line, or the slope is 0. For this point, you will have 0. Again, for this point, we have 0 value. And for the remaining points, we have something positive, like this. So we have some qualitative information that f prime, the graph of f prime must pass those points. So you can join them to have a graph like this. So looking at the graph of original function, we have at least some, oops, this should be, yeah. So from this original function, we have at least some qualitative information of f prime. You simply look at the slope of the tangent line, you determine the sign. Positive, 0, negative. Positive, 0, negative.